Crispy, I saw your master course about this QuickBooks. So can you explain me what are the benefits of that?
Yes, so do you know what is QuickBooks?
No.
Okay, so QuickBooks is the accounting software used for bookkeeping in 170 countries. It is also used in UK, USA, Canada and other European countries. We can start earning from rupees 300 per hour to 1000 per hour also in this profession.
Oh, nice.
Yes, in India if you are looking for a job, it starts from 40,000 to 60,000 per month.
So it's a good option for freshers also.
Yes, this type of opportunities are being posted on Upwork, LinkedIn, Freelancer, Fiverr. You can apply from anywhere.
Okay, so anyone can join this?
Yes, if you are a commerce background, you can join this. And we are also going to help you to get the certificate from the QuickBooks Institute itself.
Okay, so when this is going to happen?
This will be on the continuous basis and it is going to be for 4 days, 1 hour daily. And it is going to be online, so you can join it from anywhere, anytime.